Okay, this can go like that. Now it's the best visibility. You can observe and appreciate my VESA compliant plywood. So, how do I want to do this? Yeah, I guess this would have to be like that. So let's try that angle. Oh, it should probably be more towards this side, without being blocked by the monitor. Maybe it's just impossible. Okay, that will have to suffice. So what do we have in here? First of all, if I remember correctly, I should have a new switch for the keyboard, so I can finally actually fix it. Because yeah, some time ago I just dropped my keyboard repeatedly, and it doesn't really work that well anymore. Yeah, these are new switches. This is the sensor, mmWave motion detection, mmWave sensor. Yeah. So I will play around with this in a bit, and also a microcontroller with a Zigbee support. So maybe first I will fix my keyboard. Get one of these switches. Maybe I could replace both of them, because this is not in the best shape. But first I should probably get my soldering iron. Soldering station. I should make some more portable soldering station. It's always so annoying when my father wants me to fix something at the garage, like with some car, and I have to take this whole thing to be able to do anything. Yeah, so now I will have to unsolder this. I will have to unsolder probably these two switches, and then solder on the new switch, because those switches are the keyboard switches, the keys. Okay, so I have the new one over here, and now let's unsolder this, probably with some help. With this tool. Yeah, this is just a fan from a computer case, so it has RGB technically, or rather just B. But yeah, I can't really control it separately. So when the fan is on, the dials are also on. And my tip, my soldering iron tip is quite oxidized. So I'm just applying some solder, mostly just for the flags. Okay, and now I can unsolder this. Sometimes it's helpful to actually add some solder. Oh, I forgot to change the title. Anyway, I guess I will first take care of that keyboard. It's a bit hard to change the title without a keyboard. What's going on? It's working quite weirdly. Is it like clogged? I don't know this is about, but I can't seem to unsolder those. Okay, that was planned. I can't seem to unsolder those legs on both of these switches. I don't know why. Like the other pin, the other leg worked flawlessly on the first try. Yeah, I guess I will just force it out. Like that. And like this. Yeah, I don't know what that was about. Now let's remove all the rest of the solder. On that side again. I don't know what's going on. This seems to be like immune. Okay, this one is clear. And this one isn't. Now it's clear. So, time for the switch. Take all of that excess. Okay, now every solder pad is fresh. Actually, maybe I should try some wick, soldering wick. Okay, some flex. Okay, almost all. The last one, and it's clean. So let's apply. Let's apply. Maybe let's clean. Some isopropyl alcohol, a paper towel, another one. I'm using too much paper towels. And on one side, on the other side. And now let's put on the new switch. Maybe with some how do you call it? Like this thing? But yeah, with this thing. Oh, I didn't know, or maybe I did know in the past. I didn't remember that it has like this positioning pins. Quite nice. So yeah, I will put some solder on just one pad. Okay, so on one pad some solder. Now the switch. And you can't really see anything. But yeah, this should be attached now. And let's do the rest. Okay, so this is a working switch again. And I can put those keys back. One, the second one. Okay, and this should now be working. Yeah, it is working. So let's now change the title. And I will be playing, as the title says, I will be playing around with mmWave sensor. And I don't really know how to use it. Absolutely no idea. And my hands are covered in paint. So I guess this can go on this this workspace. And let's does this have any model number? It's WaveShare, right? WaveShare share 26536. Okay. Arduino. Is there anything about it in here? Wiki? Maybe I should clean my hands from all this paint. Introduction. Anything about programming? Okay, so I guess it can communicate directly with the computer. Yeah, so this then should act kind of like its own thing. I should have something to connect that. PCB, microcontroller. Let's see, so something like this. Or like this. Yeah, this I believe should be RX-TX. Yeah. This is compatible. Adapter for serial connection. But I don't really remember the last time I used it. I guess I can connect the mouse back with directly into the computer and use this extension. Okay, so it lights up. VCC. Does it actually change the voltage of the VCC? Because it has this this selector of 5 volts and 3.3 volts. Does it actually change the VCC when I change that, or only the communication? Let's see, this one should be ground. Oh, first the VCC. Okay, this is in fact 3.3, more or less. And if I switch that, it's 5. So that's quite nice. And I can connect those two together with some jumper wires. Dusty jumper wires. Okay, so I assume you just need 4 wires. Yeah. 4, so I will take this ribbon, and let's see, 3.3, so this will be red and brown, RX and TX will be yellow and orange. And now on this end the power, red and brown. This is not really that visible, like these labels. And now let's see. Rx is the orange, so orange should go to TX. And the yellow to Rx. So this should work, hopefully. 3.3. Okay, no LEDs on that. And do I have any notes? Program, no. No, I don't think I have any notes on that thing. And what is this? CP. Do I have any notes on CP? No. Is this the same thing? Yeah, this looks kind of similar to what I have. So how to use it on Linux? Do I have to do anything special, or will it just work? Okay, should work out of the box. And there is something like some action going on. Some LEDs are blinking. Do I have any, not this, monitor? No. There was some, I believe, some kind of monitor for serial connections. Maybe serial. Mo serial, yeah, that's the one. So I have to install it. That's the name. And other. No, this is Flatpak. So Flatpak, packages Flatpak. And update. I made a mistake. Let's do ls dev. And what is this? Some weird TTY USB. And now, yeah, there is no USB, so this is TTY USB 0. And just in a minute it should install. What is this? I have so many things that I don't even know what they do. No markings. But it looks familiar. Yeah, this is for programming like some AT stuff. Okay, give me those applications. Yeah, install. Okay. So now let's not this. Mo serial. Connect. No. Edit. View. How to port setup? Okay. So USB 0. Anything about like speed? Okay, baud rate. It should be this one. And okay. Now connect. There is something happening. What if I like shield it? Maybe, do I have some piece of metal? I don't. Some box, metal box. I guess I have this. Okay, I have actually no idea how to test that. I don't think I can be still enough to not to trigger it. Looks like it's reacting to me getting closer, but then it just stays like that. I should probably read some documentation. How does it actually work? Okay, so I guess I can send some commands to set stuff. J2 pin. There is some OTZ or OT2, OT7 maybe? Not really clear. Okay, so that's what it's displaying. Just the sensor by itself. Okay, so this is working on serial and it's always displaying the same stuff. Any more examples? Okay, this is done. Is there any library so that I can just configure it directly from the program, from the microcontroller? I definitely don't want to use any application provided by the manufacturer. Okay, so I assume it works just forward, like from this side with the visible antennas. Okay, maybe I should take something stable. Like this. Connect this. And now let's see how does it react. Okay, so it does react on the back. That seems to be more responsive on the front. Maybe on the back it's just working with some reflections. What? This is 2.7 to 3 meters, but on this diagram it's 10 meters. And this shows micro motion to like somewhere over 7. This is all quite confusing. Well, this is below 4, so around 3 on like the edges. Anything about configuration? Just the same as generic photos. Let's look again at this wiki. Where was the wiki? What is that? I clicked incorrectly. Okay. Features, specification, protocol. What's the description? Can I somehow deduce what does it actually do? Not really. This seems to just show all the parameters, not actual commands that it's sending, but it's definitely just sending some commands, not very sophisticated commands. Okay, view set. Send command. Read, read, read. Read parameters. Where is set parameters? Okay, maintaining range. Okay, let's try to move this sensor away as far as possible with this cable. And what does it do now? Okay, so the number isn't changing. Okay, so now it's off. It's not reacting like that. Still off. And now it detected. So yeah, it definitely sees me through the back. It doesn't have the detection range just in the front. And also something I would like to test as placing this maybe over here. No, too far away. So over here, I don't know how to attach it. Okay, it is now attached in a very weird way. And it's reacting to my just waving. So I think I will leave it like that. And then just do the next thing. So probably just playing Minecraft and see if it stops detecting me. Because now it's, I don't know, maybe 2 meters away on the wall. And yeah, so this will show me if it's definitely not seeing me right now. Okay, so the next option is to mount it over here, probably with some clamps. Okay, so now it's mounted like this at the top, like over here, and I will see if it stops detecting me at any point. And for now that will be it. So I fixed the keyboard permanently, kind of permanently, and I kind of figure out how this motion sensor is working. So I would consider this part of the today's plan as done. Yeah, I won't be able to do anything with Zigbee. So let's start with Minecraft. Okay, this is fine. and this can go over here. This I don't need anymore. So now let's do some Minecraft.